The purpose of this tutorial is to show how this GeoGebra applet works about solving systems of equations and solving them graphically. So when you open the applet up, it'll give you a couple of equations, and so what you're supposed to do is move these two dots to change each line so they represent these two lines. So the pink one, first of all, here, y equals 7/3 x plus 9. 9 would be the y-intercept. So I'm going to take one, and it doesn't matter which dot, but I'm going to take that 9 and move it up here, that dot to 9. So that has the right y-intercept now. Now, you can move the graph by just dragging. So I'm going to move it down here because my slope, we're going to go up 7. So I'm going to take this dot and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I need to go to the right 3. 3 would be the run. So that is the pink line. So now I'm going to do the purple one here, y equals 0x plus 2. So the 2 is the y-intercept. And a slope of 0 means that the line is horizontal. So I could prove over here anywhere whatsoever. And so that's that line. So we're looking for where, once you get the two lines correct, you're looking for where the two lines intersect. And this is the intersection point here at -3, +2. So what I would do is go over here and highlight the question mark and type in -3. And then over here, I'll type in 2 and hit enter. And it tells me I'm correct. So that's what you do with each of these. So let's do one more. I'm going to click on New Problem. And, oh, good for this one. So if it has a y-intercept that's negative, instead of writing y equals 3/5 x minus 6, it writes plus -6. So -6 is the y-intercept. So and I need to scroll a little bit here. So move that down to -6. And 3/5 is my slope. So let's drag this way down here. So 3/5 the slope means we go up 1, 2, 3, and then over 5. That would be over 5. So that is the reddish line. Now this one here, the y-intercept of this line is at 4, so we'll go up to 4 here, and 13/5 is the slope. So let's take this dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then the run is 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's that line, and let's scroll down here. Oh, there's, so that point would be -5, -9. So I'm just going to double check in here, double click, -5, -9, hit enter, and I am correct again. That is the intersection point. So that's what you're doing for each of these. You drag the points to make each line the correct line, and then look in the graph where they intersect, and then type in the intersection point. And it'll tell you whether you're correct or not. And that's the end of the tutorial.